Let's get ready to make our burnt butter frosting. I think it's supposed to be named brown butter frosting, but I renamed it burnt butter frosting because the butter does look a little burnt to the bottom. So I'm going with that because that's what I named it. This frosting is very simple. You only need 4 ingredients and 1 is optional. You only need butter, cream cheese, powdered sugar, and you can add vanilla, or if you don't have it, leave it out. I'm gonna use vanilla bean paste because it's super delicious and it has those pretty specks of vanilla bean that I like. I have my butter on medium. I'm trying not to stir it, although it's very hard. I kind of want to shake the pan. But I want it to caramelize a little bit to the bottom. So I'm not going to touch it. Just going to let it do. And now I can see the brownness, and we want those little brown bits in it. So I'll take it off and I'm going to let it cool. So my butter has cooled. And at the bottom, there's all those little burnt bits. That's why I call it burnt butter, not brown butter, but I think it's supposed to be brown butter. What we're doing, burnt butter. And I have creamed my cream cheese, and I'm just gonna add my burnt butter, a little bit at a time. Before adding my powdered sugar, I'm going to add a tablespoon of vanilla bean paste. So I made these little adorable cupcakes because sometimes that's all people want, just enough. We're just going to go ahead and put our frosting on. And if you've never tried burnt butter cream cheese frosting, you're in for a treat. It's rich, it's creamy. It tastes like cream cheese frosting, but it has that caramel flavor, and you can taste the vanilla. It's very different and very nice. That is one of the best combinations that I've ever come up with. You get the maltiness of the chocolate cake, and the sweetness and the creaminess of the cream cheese butter frosting. And there's so many flavors going on, but they don't clash, they just contrast, and they really taste special. You have to try this Guinness chocolate cake with burnt butter cream cheese frosting for St. Patrick's Day. And join me next time in the Fancy Cakery, where we are going to do another Irish recipe. Yeah, we got